Good afternoon, students. How are you? Okay, I think all of you is okay. Okay, so this is a time for studying the subject of GFMI. On GFMI, we have discussed about of some topics. So a lot of topics is to be discussed in the previous lectures, in the previous classes. Now, in this class, we have discussed about of topic reforms in Indian money and capital markets. The topic is reforms in Indian money and capital market. So, I think all of you aware with the concept of a financial market. I think the meaning of a market is a place where seller and buyer satisfying our wants, and the meaning of a financial system is the finance is a amount of fund through which we can manage our things, manage our particular segments, manage our activities, manage our work, and so on. So initially, we can say the financial market is to be classified into the two basic categories. The first one is the capital market, and the second one is the money market. So I think you know the meaning of a capital market and a money market. Okay, so I also tell you about of capital market. So what is the meaning of a capital market and what do you know about of capital? Anybody know the meaning of a capital? Okay, so the capital of a initial capital means the initial fund which is used for a starting of the business. Now we can say that capital market is the part of financial system which is concerned with raising capital funds by dealing in share bonds and other long-term investments. The market where investment instruments like bonds, equities and equities are traded is known as capital market. I think you understand what is the meaning of a capital market? Capital market is the part of financial system which is concerned with raising capital funds by dealing in share, bonds and other long-term investments. This is a important definition of a capital market. For example, ABC Textile Private Limited, who wants to extend its business, makes a business deal with GUCCI brand to export textile cloths to their manufacturing unit. So the question is, where can he get money from? First is from bank. Second is can go public and get listed on the stock companies. So the first one from bank. ABC Textile can approach bank, but it will not prove to be healthy option because the first one is bank will charge high rate of interest, and the second point is leading of loans is a very tedious task. Bank first scrutinize the papers, documents, verify them, and this process is very time consuming. Thus, this idea is not an effective one. This is my opinion. This is my opinion. This idea is not an effective one. But according to your opinion, what is the meaning of that? I don't know. But if you think this is a better option, then you can go through it. The second one is can go public and let get listed on the stock companies. Okay, then after The concept is who is the major suppliers of funds in capital market? So the answer is the major suppliers of funds in capital markets are the first one is a commercial bank, second one is an insurance company, and third one is a business corporation. The first one is commercial bank, second one is the insurance company, and third one is a business corporation. Commercial bank, just like Axis Bank, Union Bank, Allahabad Bank, Federal Bank, Bank of India, OBC, Karnataka, Punjab National, IDBI, Central Bank, ICICI, SBI, HDFC, and so on. And what about of life insurance companies? HDFC, LIC, Aviva, Tata AIG, Birla Life, SBI Life, and so on. Okay, so these are the major suppliers of funds in capital market. First one is the commercial bank, second one is the insurance company, and third one is the business corporation. So the commercial banks are, insurance companies are, and business corporations are. Then after the another point is if you know the meaning of a capital market, then you also know the meaning of types of capital market. You know the meaning of a types of capital markets? Okay, I will tell you. The capital market is also classified into the two basic categories. The first one is a primary market and the second one is a secondary market. Clear? Then after we have discussed about of money market. So what do you know about money market? So the money market is a mechanism that deals with short-term funds, like as less than 1 year. A segment of financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and very short maturities are traded. This is a concept of a money market. So what is a need for a money market? Whenever you discuss about a money market, then you think about need for money market. So the need for money market, the first one, need for short-term funds by banks. Second one, outlet for deploying funds on short-term basis. And third one, need to keep the SLR as prescribed. Then after we have discussed about instruments of money market. So what kinds of instruments is to be used in money market? The first point is certificate of deposit. Second one is notice money. Certificate of deposit. Second one is notice money. Third one is a commercial paper. And fourth one is a treasury bills. Okay. So these are the instruments of money market. Understand? I think you clearly understand. Then after we have discussed about money market risk and return. So the money market risk and return cannot be explained by the help of words. It can be shown by the help of a picture. So see, money market risk and return look like this. Okay, is it clear? Okay, so this is the concept of money market risk and return. Okay, so then after the another related topic with reforms of capital and money market in India, we have discussed in the next video. Okay, so in this video we include this detail about of capital market, about of money market, and so on. and the remaining things is to be included in the next video. Okay.